I like to say that I saved the world.
Clinical research is more working with patients, working with physicians, working with other staff, trying to coordinate everything.
You have a lot of stories of, maybe somebody has a diagnosis that the prognosis would be a year of life, and they get on a trial and it extends that.
It gives me a chance to connect with those who would like to find hope in research.
The only way that we can produce innovative drugs and interventions is through clinical research.
So it's a really good opportunity to be a part of something bigger than myself.
Making a difference and seeing the results of that trial and the next question that it's going to lead to.
No matter what your role is, you're contributing to research and making a difference.
I am happy that we are celebrating Clinical Trials Day. I think over the last almost 10 years now, I've seen the impact of clinical trials grow.
The work that we do, transformative.